Hello, my YouTube friend Pop Comics here, and in today's video, I'm going to open up these two packages of comics I bought from Abbott's Comics on Whatnot. Now, one of the things I'd like to do on Whatnot when I'm not, like sometimes I'll go in a room and I'll just buy a ton of stuff. I'm ready to buy stuff. Sometimes when I'm like, all right, I'm trying not to spend money this week, but I still want to have the fun of hunting comics. I will just start flipping through the app and I'm looking for rooms that are doing giveaways. I might go like scroll, find a giveaway, enter it. If like Comic Traders is on at night, they just do a whole bunch of giveaways. So you can just stay in that room all night. And so I was scrolling through one night. I think it was pretty late actually. And I popped into Abbott's Comics. And I think he normally does like mystery pulls for like 3 for $10 or something like that. And it's not something I normally would do, but I think he only had like 5 or 6 people in the room at the time. So it was a very slow night for him. So he was just going through a box of stuff he had just bought. And so I was just watching, like, oh, what do you get? You know, I'm curious. I love digging a box. And I just like watching someone dig a box. So, you know, that alone was kind of entertaining for me. So then he starts pulling out stuff. And then he pulls out some Mobius books. I absolutely love Mobius. He's one of my all-time favorite artists. So he's like, he pulls out like 5 or 6. I'm like, oh. So I write, oh, I'm interested in those. How much do you want for them? So he goes through. He has, I think, like 5 or 6 Mobius graphic novels. And then he had like 3 or 4 comics. He's like, $20. I was like, yeah, I'll take that for $20. $20 was an amazing deal. So he put up the listing and he goes, no one else buys them. So he let me buy the stack for $20. Amazing deal. Really happy with that deal. It was packaged well. Even the box looked damaged, like it was crushed by the post office, but everything inside arrived in good shape. And then so I left him good feedback. I was really thrilled with the price. I was thrilled with how nice he was. I was thrilled with how fast he shipped and how well he shipped. So I left him nice feedback. So the next time I saw him pop up, like a week or 2 later, so I popped into his room and he's like, oh, hey, Pop, thank you so much for the nice feedback. He's like, you know what? I found more. So he found another stack of Mobius books. And maybe a couple other non-Mobius, but like cool 80s sci-fi graphic novels. So he's like, I want $20 for this stack too. So I was like, heck yeah. So I bought that. And I think I grabbed a couple of his mystery pulls just as a thank you because he was giving me such a great deal on those. The mystery pulls aren't something I normally would buy. I only like to buy mystery boxes if it's kind of what I know, something I want, or if it's from a vendor that has their own books in their mystery box. So I'm going to have 2 boxes full of the graphic novels, the Mobius stuff, and a couple of mystery pulls. So this is going to be tons of fun. So let's open up these 2 boxes and see what's inside. Okay, the first package. Oh man, I am thrilled to have these because I only have 2 or 3 of them. So getting like all of them at once, this is super amazing. So we have Mobius number 6. And I think there's 9 books here. And I think I paid like 30. So what is that, like $3 a book? Amazing price on these. I'm going to open this up. Yeah, so so these are just like a collection of all his work. And just like page after page of the most gorgeous drawn Mobius pages. Like, this stuff is just so beautiful to me. I absolutely love Mobius. So that, like, at the price I got these for, I am thrilled. This is like such a dream come true kind of purchase. Because I've always wanted this whole set, and I just like, it's one of those things where I just try to pick them up at garage sales and stuff, and I don't see them often enough. So you have Mobius number 7, The Goddess. So these are all short stories. I think they're reprinted from, some of them might have been like Heavy Metal, some other places. Mobius number 5. I don't think I can, let me move this back a little bit. There we go. We got all 3 on camera. So we got Mobius number 5. The Gardens of Adina again. These are just all filled with beautiful Mobius illustrations. Beautiful illustrated graphic novels. Mobius number 5. Yeah, like, I just love the style of his drawing. It just is gorgeous. It's just colored in a nice way. It just has its own unique style to it. Yeah, that's beautiful. Let me put that over there. And then these, I think I did have the Elsewhere prints, but still full Mobius comic books. We have number 1. And actually, you know what? I might not have number 5. I might actually have needed that one. Okay, that's super cool. Okay, this one is not the collected works. I think this is its own graphic novel, which I want to look at because I don't know if I'm familiar with this one. So the Magic Crystal, that cover is amazing. Back cover looks cool. Yeah, this is different. This is more of a matte finish and not as glossy as the other ones. But again, it's gorgeous. It is a little bit oxidized inside. But you know what? $2 or $3 a book. I don't care. I just want them so I can read them and enjoy them. I'm not buying these as like investments or high value collectibles, although I think they are kind of pricey to find. I'll buy stuff like this in a heartbeat just because I love it. Mobius 8. This one I've actually never seen either. I think I usually see under 7. So this one must be a little bit harder to find. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, this one's a bit more glossy inside like the other ones. Art style. I think it had a different colorist, maybe. It feels slightly different. And maybe Mobius just worked on it with someone else. Not 100% sure on that one because it feels slightly different than the other ones, but that's still amazing. I will collect every Mobius thing I can get. I would love to have a complete collection of all his work. That's a life goal. I don't know how close I am to doing that, but I've been buying Mobius stuff for 25 years. So every time I see it, I buy it. Okay, and then the Art of Mobius. This one I think is pretty rare too. I'm going to open that one up. Oh, this one also feels a bit thicker. The Art of Mobius. And, oh, we got black and white. Okay, so this just has clips and pages and, you know, it's not complete stories. It's just kind of highlighting his career of work. These are gorgeous, though. Love this stuff. Wow. Oh, that page is beautiful. I guess it's Little Nemo. I love Little Nemo. I'm also a big fan of Winsor McKay, so I have a whole bunch of reprints of that. Okay, that is super cool. Yeah, thrilled to get that. Thrilled. And then this one, I probably can't show that one. I'll probably get demonetized. But that one I haven't seen before in person either. So that's thrilling. There might have been one or two I had, but wow, I can't believe I got all these at once. This is amazing to me. Okay, let's open up the other box. Okay, first these are the mystery pulls. I believe I did 3 for $10. I think he also does a like a duck race at the end of the show. So we got Daredevil number 77, House of M, Spider-Man number 4 or 5, and Elektra the Hand. That actually has a really beautiful cover. So I'm not, you know, this stuff maybe $3 a piece feels a little bit high. But again, I just want to say thank you for the Mobius stuff. That's why I bought a little extra. And then, I guess he threw this in and it looks like he signed it. Oh, maybe this was, is this his own book? I gotta look at this. It's a really fun cover. Yeah, Abbott's Comics. So this is one of his, he looks like he's with a bunch of comic shops that put this comic together. So this must be his comic. He signed it. He wrote Pop Fun on it, which is awesome. Oh, that's super cool. So that must be just like a free add-in that he added to the purchase. Oh, that's neat. I love getting stuff like that. Okay, that's super cool. All right, let me get the Mobius stuff now. Okay, I'm looking at the invoice, and he might charge me only $8, but I think I paid cheaper for this stack. I thought I paid $20 this time, but no, he only charged me $8 for this stack. That's why I bought the other one, because I felt like I underpaid for that. I have a bad habit of bidding against myself sometimes on whatnot, or at least buying something else just as a thank you if the price is like really good. Okay, so we have a science fiction age magazine, and I don't remember. He might have added some of the stuff. I don't remember if I saw those or not, because it's mostly just buying. I remember like 2 or 3 Mobius and a couple other graphic novels. There we go. We got Mobius 1. Oh, and this one is damaged, but I did see that. But yeah, that was super cheap. Number 2. Which is amazing. Oh, this one's backwards. Number 4. That's super cool. Yeah, so like, I think even one of these is worth more than that. And then this is the Airtight Garage, number 3. And Science Fiction Age, November 1992. So, yeah, I think he only charged me $8 for that. It's probably because some of them were damaged, but you know what? I'm not, again, as I said, I'm not buying these as like a collectible or an investment. I'm buying them because I absolutely love Mobius artwork. And I love trying to find his work for cheap because it's really hard to find for a good price. So yeah, that was an amazing, amazing lot of stuff. Really happy with that. Woo, that was a ton of fun. I want to thank Abbott's Comics for giving me such a great deal. I'm going to put another mega epic comic haul right there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.